So you have had an Elgato Stream Deck for a while and you want to find more fun ways and make it more efficient for your streaming and content creation and stuff like that. You've come to the right place. You're going to notice some graphical hiccups in the video. Some of the footage actually kind of got corrupted and I realized that editing and then posting my first video. Streamer tip, here's a bonus one. Watch your videos before you post them. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 plugins and one super useful tip that I've found to make my life much easier in content creation. To be able to make videos and stream on Twitch basically 1 day a week, 2 days a week. I work full time, leave me alone. The first thing I want to show you is this huge help that I have. It's audio devices, a plugin that you can get for your Elgato Stream Deck. As you can see right here, my primary is going through my quadcast, so my headphones when I decide to wear them when I'm playing like games and stuff and I don't want the audio to be picked up by the mic. And then my secondary is my speakers. Now I only did this just to make the icon match, so at the press of a button, it just swaps right to it. As you can see, the icon is changing colors. Right now it's on my laptop speakers, right now it's on my headphones. Such a simple and easy, awesome tool to use. I added my record button here to just make things a lot simpler, but I also have a speed test button. So that way before you start streaming, before you set up anything, press this. It actually tells you exactly what your internet speeds are without having to worry about it. And right there the results are posted, and it's also posted on the Stream Deck button so you can see exactly what's going on. Damn, that's good. The third plugin I want to show you is the CPU plugin. Now this tells you what your constant CPU usage is, no matter what you're doing. This is actually one of my favorite things because I'm always spiking my CPU, trying to make it do a whole bunch of different OBS tricks. And also, I just stress this laptop so much. I'm running a dual PC setup, a laptop with a gaming PC. RTX in the gaming PC, GTX on the laptop, so you could probably hear those gen engines fly. Another cool thing about the CPU button is that if you actually press it, it pulls up your task manager so you can just start killing tasks and saving your CPU before, you know. Another huge plugin to have on your Stream Deck is the Windows Mover by Bar Raider, and also the ability to just launch programs. I'm going to show you this mess of a chain. So this whole chain that you're looking at right here, this is pretty much all it is to it. You can pause the video and check it out if you want. But this is opening up all of my programs and minimizing the ones I don't need strictly for like content. So I have Lumia Stream, OBS, and it minimizes my Stream Deck window, it minimizes Lumia Stream, it fronts OBS, so that way any other windows that are going on, it pops up right there, and we know for a fact the content is gonna get made. Alright, so the last and final thing I want to show you is how powerful profiles can be. So I'm just gonna go over here and show you exactly what I mean. So I set up a profile strictly for streaming. I have seen collections in my OBS to save on resources. So as you can see right here, my command is just open the scene collection, which I set up for strictly streaming. It's going to go navigation, switch profile. If I press this button, it's going to mess up the whole recording. But if I click on this and go to my streaming profile, you can actually see how everything's set up. These ones down here are just going to page numbers, and this is the importance of having profiles, and this is why I love it. So if I press on scenes, pulls up my whole entire scene recording. Twitch tools pulls up everything I need to do. And as you can see, right down here, my buttons are disappearing with the pages I'm actually using. So it makes it just that much easier. And so that way you know you're not going to be making any mistakes pressing any buttons. That's everything I got for you today in this video. If you learned something, go ahead and hit that subscribe and like button to help my channel get out there and teach some other people. And you've been amazing. I've been Storm Rage. Get out there and go create something. And then tag me in it so I can see.